Hello everyone, this is Shergill, insurance broker. Today I'm going to give you tips regarding how you can save maximum on your auto and home insurance. So first of all, always give the full information, just like you're going to the doctor, you give everything, what is the issue and what's the problem. Same thing if you are looking for car insurance or home insurance, give the exact details so that we can give the best quote possible. So number one is you have to try to get the bundle auto and home insurance together with one company, where you get anywhere from 5 to 15% discount. So even though you don't own the home, sometimes you're renting, still you're going to get a tenant insurance that will also be the same discount as home insurance. So if you're paying about $6,000 for two cars or one car, so even 10% discount is equal to $600, and tenant insurance is only costing anywhere from $400 to $500 for the year. So you are getting two policies for less than the price of one. Second thing is, if you are having winter tires, so make sure you disclose that and have a receipt for winter tires and picture of the winter tire with the snowflake sign. That gives you 3 to 5% discount. And third one is you can put telematics app that gives you 5 to 10% discount based on your driving. So first year you get automatically 5 to 10%, and second year based on your record you can get anywhere from 0 to 30% discount on that. So it's very important to get all these discounts. And also, if you are with the broker for more than 4 years, and you get loyalty discount with some companies, is almost up to 15%. And if you are not having claims, and you get claim free discount. And there are so many things you can do, but you got to talk to the broker. And if you are a member of a group like PBON with us, professional and business owners like doctors, engineers, nurses, teachers, insurance brokers, and many others, you can give us a call. We can put you with the company which will give you maximum discount. So always check and get the code. There's no cost to get a code. Always available 5 days a week, sometimes 7 days, Saturday, Sunday. If there's some emergency code, I do it. If somebody has to pick up the car, you can call me at 416-831-0215 or email jittar@ableinsurance.ca, or my personal email shergill.insurance@gmail.com. So thank you very much for watching. So please stay tuned for my next video. I always put the videos on different topics of insurance, or sometime when I go traveling around the country or a province, I do put videos about traveling as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and share to other people.